Have you ever thought why we don't forget cycling? Because we learn cycling practically. 70% of students in India want to pursue their career in science, and hence practical learning is not an option now. It is must. Hi, I am Nitin Aggrawal, certified career coach, mentor of ATL Labs and co-founder of TuningLives. We provide science experiment kits for class 2 to class 8 students to change their approach from theoretical learning to practical learning. By using our kits, we promise 3 things. First, learn any science concept within 10 minutes. Second, connect science with the real life application. And third, have longer knowledge retention. When I used to teach initially, I changed my approach of teaching science by providing experiment materials to students. Students enjoyed, learned quickly, and got better results. Parents also appreciated this new way of teaching. And at that time, I decided that every child should learn science practically in this way. And that's why I have developed the idea of TuningLives Science Experiment Kit. Our vision is to empower every student to learn science practically in this way. So if you want your child to gain knowledge and have practical experience, then you should definitely get these kits. Contact us or DM to order. Thank you.